Welcome to Master Technical Drawing by Eric Isanga. In this lesson, we shall construct an angle of 22.5 degrees. We build it in stages, a right angle, bisected to 45 degrees, and then bisected once more. We begin with a horizontal line and the point A. First, using the compass, we construct a right angle at A, exactly as before. Then, with the same radius, we bisect the right angle to give the 45-degree ray. Now we bisect that 45-degree angle. We take 2 points the same distance r from A, point 1 on the horizontal line and point 2 where the arc crosses the 45-degree ray. With point 1 as center and radius r, we swing an arc into the angle. With the same radius and point 2 as center, we swing a second arc, cutting the first at the point 3. With the aim ruler, we draw a line from A through point 3 and extend it. This line bisects the 45-degree angle. The angle at A is 22.5 degrees, half of 45. And that completes the construction of 22.5 degrees, from 90 to 45 to 22.5.